Hey guys, it's Devin, and I just wanted to introduce myself because I realized yesterday I made my day one video for Insanity Max 30, and I never really said who I was. So if you haven't been following me, or if you just stumbled across this video, you might wonder, like, who is this chick and what is she doing? So I wanted to give you a little bit of background on myself, introduce myself, and kind of let you know why I'm doing this program. So to start off, my name's Devin Hardell. I live in central Wisconsin. I'm married and I have two kids, a 3.5-year-old and a 1-year-old. And the reason I started this program, or I guess what led me to start this program, is because I am a coach and I started coaching 2 years ago. And since I started coaching, I lost the baby weight with my son. I got pregnant again. Now I'm losing the last few pounds that I gained when I was pregnant with my daughter, who is now 1. So I've done a lot of programs since I've started. I started with Les Mills Pump. Loved that program. I've done the 21-day fix a few times. I have done, hardcore, 22-minute hardcore. I've done hammer and chisel. And I've actually done a month of Insanity Max 30 in the past, and then I quit, so that's really bad. But I was super intimidated. I don't know why. But I quit back then, but I'm recommitting now because I've seen some amazing before and afters from this program of people that just committed for the full 60 days, and it's one of those things I've been thinking about ever since, and I just need to finish it from start to finish. So that is my goal. That is my plan. That's why I'm posting videos, to hold myself accountable and just to hopefully inspire you too, not necessarily to do this program, but just to get out and be active and be healthy, and to work out and add that to your routine every day. Because I know for myself, working out every day, it's my therapy. As a mom of 2, things can get crazy around here, so just having that me time to just sweat it out really, really helps me mentally and not, be a crazy mom. I'm still a crazy mom, so don't get me wrong there, but it just helps, so just take my word for it. But yeah, so that's a little bit about me. Like I said, I started day 1 yesterday. Today is day 2. And I just, I'm super excited for this program. I took my before picture yesterday after a weekend of totally indulging in food and drinks. I was super fluffy, super bloated, like my whole stomach was just a big bleh. But I can tell even after 1 day of focusing on my water, my nutrition, and getting that workout in, even this morning waking up, I could see a difference in my bloat, which is super cool. I'm so excited to see what this next week brings me, what the next month brings me, and what my final results will be with this program. But follow along with me. I'll try to post, maybe not every single day, but throughout the week, just to give you some updates and show you a kind of little bit of a background on this program. And then every single week I do plan to share my results. So from the first day to the 7th day, I'll take a before and after picture, share my weight and things like that, and just kind of just talk more about the program. And I will keep doing this until I am done. So like I said, follow along. I'll add my information below this video so you can check me out on Facebook, on Instagram, Snapchat, my blog, wherever. And you can always email me to, it's dh.health.fitness@gmail.com if you do have questions, or I run a lot of free groups with clean eating and exercise, so if you need some accountability, let me know. I'm always happy to help. But yeah, I just want to thank you so much for checking out my video, and for following me along if you've been doing that, and you will probably see a lot more of me if you check out my videos. So have a wonderful day, and thank you so much.